Hello everyone, my name is Eeshaan Sethia and I'm first year undergraduate student at Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. I'm from section 6 and my DIY group is B. So before opening the mixer, let's see if the mixer works or not. So as you can see, the mixer works perfectly fine. So let's get into the disassembly part. The mixer has 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which we'll need to open. And this here is a circuit breaker which makes sure that if the mixer is in air, the mixer won't work. So let's start opening our mixer. So I've opened the 4 screws and the circuit of this mixer is quite basic. So this is our power supply cord and 3 wires are coming from this. As you can see, this one, the red wire, the black wire and the green wire. The green wire here is connected over here and it is the earth wire. The red wire is then sent to this circuit breaker and the black wire or the ground wire is sent to this rectifier for speed control. So the second wire from this circuit breaker is then sent over here into our motor. So this is our AC motor. These 2 right here are the carbon brushes, which is then connected to a commutator which rotates our AC motor's coil, which in turn rotates the outer part of our mixer over which a jar is kept. And the AC motor of ours has a total of 6 wires, out of which 4 are connected to this rectifier. One is the ground wire and the other one is the AC voltage input wire. And this whole material, as you can see, is made up of aluminium. These right here are the carbon brushes. The coil is obviously made of copper, and as soon as we will give AC power supply, ignition will start on this carbon brushes, which will make the commutator to rotate our AC coil. So let's connect the power supply and let's see if we can see the sparking. So as you can see, the sparking of the carbon brushes is making the commutator to rotate. The copper coil is then connected to a thread screw which makes the part of our mixer rotate over which the jar is kept. So that's pretty much all of it, what's inside the circuit. So now let's try to assemble back our mixer and let's see if it's working or not. I have successfully reassembled the mixer. Now let's see if it's still working. As you can see, the mixer is still working. Thank you so much.